Hi, I'm Jeff from Wilde's Leatherwork. Today I'm going to be showcasing my homemade leather balm. Wilde's leather balm, crafted from a blend of cocoa butter, almond oil and beeswax, nourishes, protects and revitalises leather goods, ensuring long-lasting durability and a luxurious finish. It deeply moisturises the leather, restoring its suppleness, whilst also forming a protective barrier that helps repel moisture, keeping your leather items looking pristine. If you'd like to purchase this item or a PDF recipe for it, you can visit the website and browse the shop at www.wildesleatherwork.co.uk. Whilst you're there, make sure to subscribe to the mailing list for discounts, news and updates. Why not follow us on social media under Wilde's Leatherwork on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching and take care.